News Avenue igama uSizwe Blose namhlanje sambele amahhovisi eMKP la ngase bathi noMargaret Mncadi somewhere lapho and siyathokoza kakhulu ukuthi sikwazisi ukuthi sikhuluma noNkosinathi Nhleko National Chairperson weMKP namhlanje sibingelele Mr Nhleko.
Yebo siyabingelela kumnumzana uBlose kanye nabalaleli bakho nababukeli bakho.
Sibonga kakhulu kumnandi kwamukeleka la sifike kamnandi ukuthi nje kuphezulu kakhulu kodwa sigcine sesifikile. Kuphezulu kakhulu kodwa sigcine sesifikile. Akazi impilo imnandi.
Hayi siyazama simamba siyeka koze kulunga.
Bathi nje
wethu kuyiphatha kahle.
Bese ngapholisa imazeko nje ngoba mningi nalembuzo kufanele sizama ukuthi siphume sesiphendulile. Ngifuna ukuchecka la ukuthi ahamba kanjani amalungiselelo Mr Nhleko. Okhetho because selimenyezeliwe idate kwathiwa umhla ka4.
Ukhetho lomhla ka4 besi hambele wonke ama province kulelizwe laseMzansi. Sibeka inhlaka zokusebenza iqondene nokuorganize indaba yokhetho. So sesikwenzile lokho cishe ubeke kuleli sonto elilandelayo. Sizobe sesibheka ukuthi kufuneka silungise indaba yabantu esizobaqoka phecelezi ukuthiwa ama candidates ukuthi so kwenza kanjani ukwazi ukuqoka labo bantu abazomelela ubuso bomkhondo wesizwe.
Kwabaningi bayibuza ukuthi ubani ozoba i-mayoral candidate eMK eThekwini because abantu abaningi kathi bayayithanda lenkulumo yethi ukuthi lana kungase kwenzeke ukuthi kuthathi iMK ngoba izodla kuphathi bani all that stuff abanye basho nawo aboka amaqembu ithini eThekwini bese nihlangene kuma boardroom nina niviewa kanjani?
No, wonke ama structures kahulumeni abalekile kodwa kubaleka kwawo akuzona ikhundla zabantu. Okubalekile ukuthi lama structures kahulumeni angama tools ofuna siwasebenzisele ukushintsha impilo zabantu. So mawuzoba umeya noma ngabe uyikhansela noma ngabe hlobo luni le public representative. If ungekho focused ekuthenini ufuna ukusebenzela abantu then uzosendaweni wrong. Ngoba impilo yethu ofuneka mayiguquke ishintshe. Ake ngifanekise nje i-majority yendawo esihlala kuzo. Thina bantu baleli bala abantu abamnyama azisiniki isithunzi sokuhlonipheka njengomuntu. Uyabona? Nabantwana bethu sibazalela kulezo ndawo ezingenayo inhlonipho ukuhlonipheka kwesithunzi somuntu. Ngiyafanekisa nje uyabona uma uzohlala endaweni egijima isuwa emgaqweni. Uyabona? Indle nje yagijima la emgaqweni abantwana bakho futhi badlala khona la. Uyabona? So siphi isithunzi sokukhululeka komuntu omnyama lapha. Yizona zinto ke ezibalekile. So abantu bethu sizama ukubaqwashisa kulento ukuthi into ebalekile akusona isikhundla sakho ozogcina unaso ngoba uyikhansela noma uyimeya. Into ebalekile ukuguqula lesa simo sempilo yabantu.
But uzothi omunye umuntu Mr Nhleko nawo wazi kahle ukuthi i-system ephethe or elawula izwe ipromoter i-individualism. And lezo zimo into evamise ukuyihambiselana ne-exploitation. Kugcina exploiteka bani? The proletariat.
No, ngiyakuzwa kodwa ke kuwumsebenzi wethu ukulwela ubuntu ebantwini. Umsebenzi wethu lo njengabantu.
Bese ngisho le police ukuthi ngizozama
kwakona lokho khona upolice noma ngabe yinenye kufuneka siqonde ukuthi uma lo system ingakwazi ukusebenzela i-well-being yabantu ukuthi kube khona umuntu in a proper sense then lo system ufuna ukushintshwa.
Yiko ngidirect nje Mr Nhleko ukuthi akuzikhona yini inhlelo because bawuchecka lo 30 years 30 plus or 32 years kuphethe ke sithi nje kuphethe abantu abamnyama i-change kwesinye isikhathi bancane kakhulu because beni-involve emzabalazweni i-issue yayibe ihambe phambili suke kuyi-issue yeland to repossess our dispossessed. But up until now, 87% is still in the hands of the few. And lezo zinto kanjalo yikho ngithi mhlambe besi attenda kakhulu le yepolice mhlambe silawulwa ngayo ngoba mhlambe inkinga iba khona lapho.
No, there's quite a lot that we'll need to do ukuyishintsha yonke lento ngoba kufanele siguqule i-policy orientation ne-outlook yayo sidile with these fundamental questions uyabona. Ngiyajabula nje uthinta indaba yomhlaba phela umzabalazo wethu wophathelene nokuthi ngo-1652 kwafika uJan van Riebeeck la nabelungu bakhe ababehamba nabo bathatha umhlaba bathatha inkomo saba abantu thina esigcina singenalutho ezweni lethu uyabona. Kulungileke sebekhona kodwa kukhona ufuna siguqule mayelana nento ethi phela lo mhlaba esihleli kuwo asushendezi asuncingile kumuntu wethu manje ufuna masuwulawule ukuthi uyangaphi lo mhlaba nongaphansi kwawo futhi ufuna masikulawule. So kungabi sengazathi kukhona ufuna sibanceke ngalento cha kodwa ufuna siyenze futhi lento kufanele siyenze ngendlela ehlelekile ngokulunye uhlangothi ngoba uma singeke siyenze lento then whereas u-30 years is half 60 and very few people baphila kuze umuntu abe no-100 years. Manje u-30 is also above a quarter of a century. Kodwa uma ubuka lento ethi sibiza ngokuthi freedom ivele yastagnate yamandawonye. Why? Because ifocuse kakhulu ekuthenini kufuneka sinikezwe amakhaviliti yabo lento kuthiwa i-pacification. So ngoba bengenagesi senginogesi namhlanje sekusho freedom lokho ngoba bengenamanzi senginamanzi namhlanje sekusho freedom lokho ngoba ngilambile sekuphuma ini food parcel sekuyi freedom lonto empeleni i-freedom kufanele ithi nginamandla okukwazi ukuzenzela ngodla abantu abami ngakhumuza wakithi right. Sengaqhubeka ke from that base ngiyaphezulu right. So manje sekuma conditions esithi ama conditions of freedom but they're very disempowering. Mawuhamba la ngaphandle noma kusemakhaya noma yikuphi abantu okufanele ngabe ba-activated in developing i-economy they're loitering around young people. Very fresh, very fit, but completely deactivated, right? So bahamba in groups of 4, of 6. Abazi uvuke ekuseni akazi ukuthi kufanele kenzeni ngempilo yakhe. So lento it's no longer just a statistic. Invisible is in your eyes, uyayibona. Ngizokuthi statistics is about 32% of unemployed young people washa kwacibeza. Noma ungasasibhekanga leso statistic hamba nje endaweni zethu lezi ezihlala kuzo uzofika uyibone lento bahleli phambi kwezitolo bahleli emgwaqeni bayayaluza abanalutho abazolwenza right. Manje ke isimo kufanele masiguquke leso labo bantu kufanele babe productive ukungena kuma productive elements of developing the economy of the nation
and bakhona willing futhi
nasiya.
But i-problem abanye bathi Mr. Nhleko ezinye izinto zonakala ni-negotiate lapha eKempton Park nathola ukuthi nivumela nezinto ongangimele nivumele to extent ukuthi siyayiqhenya ngokuthi inkululeko yezepolitics ayithola as black people ukuthi manje before ngicabanga ukuthi kwangakhulumeki nokukhulumeka khona amagama wathi boma mention ukhale phakathi but sesi free but silambile Mr Nhleko sengisho ukuthi MK beyithi iyathatha manje sisesimweni esibi secountry la uthola khona odokotela abatelekayo
Yeah.
la khona a black child imile nebhodi igqoke igown isanda mhlawumbe ukugraduate and stuff lo muntu willing kodwa ama circumstances conditions angaphansi kwawo amvumeli ukuthi abe productive ecountryini sengisho ukuthi MK bese ithathile ikuphe imisele ngokushintsha yikho ngiqale ngathi mhlambe singadiscussa kakhulu nendaba ye economic policy ekhona manje nezoza neMK because seemingly le idelayise izinto eziningi umuntu omnyama umuntu omnyama lesikhathi
no yazi kudinga kule question uyibuza for instance kuzoba nezinto ezehlukahlukene okufanele uziconsider mase uyigovernment in dealing with this question ngeke ukuthi hayi kuzothatha lo point A yikho lokho kuzoba isolution kodwa uzodinga ukuthi ubuke different elements zalento the first element is how do you make young people productive right babe developmental bona but how do you make them believe eyintweni abayiyo bona as young people so the question of skilling people but also not only just skilling for purposes of certification and feed them into and direct them into specific programs of development, societal development, would probably be one of the starting bases, Zalent. In fact, interestingly, limiting the makhosi, sikesaba ne reflection yalo ukuthi le nto khona izinto esingafanele sizenze but sizenze differently. Ngoba uzothatha ama resources alezo zinto akhona. But it is the manner in which uzofuna coordinate ngawo lawo ma resources towards ukudila nale circumstance particularly of young people would be productive bakwazi ngoba kufuneka kube ne shift ye mindset futhi as well ukuthi ngoba sisakhula thina sasazi ukuthi uba productive kusho ukuthi uyavuka ekseni uhambe uyofesa ufuna umsebenzi about today isishintshile lonto sekufanele kubuka ukuthi what kind of skills do you need to have and use them ekuyithuthukiseni wena njengomuntu but also ekusithuthukiseni thina sonke as a people so so kahle mobuka the nature of work has changed it's redefined in a way so yiwo wonke ama elements okuzofuka sifuneka sibuke ku ama variables ukuthi lezi zinto sizicoordinate kanjani towards ukudevelop izwe nokulishintsha from lokho kuyikho bese kuthi at a macro level funeka ukudile futhi also we must review our policies akho we must also review
I'm sorry to interject Mr Nhleko uyibeka kamnandi uyichaza kamnandi but mina ngifuna lento ethi iMK beyinokha ngibuza because kuza ama elections ngifuna ukuthi ngumuntu lapha whether a young person or umuntu okanjani ngimisele ngokuthi hayi ivote lami this time ngibonile labana abahambile ibanga bafika la but it looks like sebe reach mhlambi ceiling ngifuna manje ukunika iMK ivote lami ukuthi liqhubekele phambili mhlambi singaba namanye ama ideas ngitshele mina mhlambi hypothetically speaking sengiphetheke manje
ilento ebengizama ukungena kuyo ukuthi ukuze wena uthembe iMK ufuna ukuyithemba on the basis ukuthi once sizosebenza ndawonye ukudila nesimo sokuthi uyayaluza la emgwaqeni awazi ukuthi kufanele wenzeni right kodwa futhi uyafuna ukuba umuntu ongcono nomuntu ozoba
nesithunzi lapho education or what was education yethu isasiteach ukuthi siqashwe, not to create employment for ourselves, but isasichanela to that level ukuthi asiqashe. Angazi nina ngizoyishintsha kanjani.
No, you will need to review. We'll need to review the whole approach around the issue of education, by the way, but also look at investing in the area of skilling people, right?
Yeah.
Umuntu mayizokhula, ukhula ngokwazi ukwenza into, something.
Yeah.
Right? Ukwazi ukukhula ngokwenza into, something. Azikwazi ukuzenzela yona msalufu. Funa siqiniseke kakhulu in that field. Right now, the education system yethu in a disjuncture kanje. Uproduce abantu ngala abanama qualifications, but abarelate to economy. Right? So kufanele lezo zinto siziguqule, but lokho bengisho before this point ngithi at a macro level funeka sibuke the overall policy framework yokuthi iziphi lezi zinto okufanele mazishintshe from a policy perspective, so that zikwazi ukurelate ne-issue ye-development yabantu on the ground. Okay, so end of and I hope no bakhona kule I think end of June. So it's a policy conference.
Oh, okay.
Right, where we begin to take stock as zonke lezi zinto, okay, nansi i-package of our policy issues and policy framework esizohamba ngayo in taking over i-governance of this country. Right, so hopefully nobakhona not as members of MK, because I don't think sending no figure news abi.
So are you ready to govern? Are you ready to govern as a
No, we've always been. We've always been.
But
and our advantage is that some of us have seen quite a lot office in government. Right? So we can speak on the basis of authority and experience because we've seen these things, which is my shortcomings.
Yazi into engifuna ukuyichecka Mr. Nhleko, I'm happy because uyayibeka kanjalo, but into eyayibe iproblem nge-MK ngihleli mina umuntu aka decide
okay
ukuthi mhlambe come the 4th of November ngivotela bani, ngiyafuna but ukuthi ngivotele iMK, but into engithusa ngeMK ile instability ayibe khona. Today niyalala.
Yeah.
Niyavuka uNhleko is no longer a national chair for whatever reason. But sengisho ukuthi ngiya understand benyenza nani ngendlela yeni, but that thing ishiwo ngabazali kumina ukuthi and ngathi manje sibheke isimeni sokuthi siyabafaka Mr. Nhleko, so after 15 days ayosexoshiwe umeya ebusuku. No Mr. Nhleko kwenzeka kanjani?
Cha unephutha.
No, kwenzeka kanjani? Wena la ukuthi nizoxosha bonke labantu enibaqoshile.
Unephutha zakutshela why.
I'm correct.
Why unephutha?
Yeah.
Zakutshela why unephutha. Vele when you are relating to the issue of leadership changes. Now, where's good to measure ukuthi organization is functional or not functional? Awukali lokho ngokuthi uNhleko useshintshiwe akaseyona chair, or uSibanibanyana useshintshiwe akaseyona secretary or something. Ubuka the overall organization in terms of, is it functional in terms of our structures? Why? Iyaphesuisha drive our programs why? Those are key things.
Yeah.
Right? Lokhu when the leadership changes, ungakhohlwa ukuthi iMK ayikwenzi lokho ngoba i-enjoy ukwenza. But uma sifika kwe-circumstance ethi kodwa kuyabonakala ukuthi wena njengoba sikubeke in this position wenza okufanele ukwenza kodwa ukwenzi, uyayiphoqa phela i-organization uthathe i-decision ngawe. And leyo nto normal. I mean, if you look at the corporate sector, for an example, now you function on the basis of similar principles, right? So we are the chief executive officer or a chair of a particular board and so forth. If a board meets and it discovers ukuthi hayi kodwa ke lo chair wale board khona la kungeze khona kahle, that board has all the right to take a decision to either terminate your services or correct you in a particular way, depending ukuthi kusuke kwenzekeni. Uyayibona that sort of thing. Yes. So it's normal in the process of organizational and institution building mechanisms ukuba khona kwezimo ezifana nalezi. And thina is even worse singomafika in the political scene. Okay? So in the process yokwakha uzoyibona lento kuyiyona ngeyona. Right? Manje ngeke ukuthi manje siyambona uBloss kodwa ayilungi lento yakhe kahle bese sithi ayasimzibe ngoba masikuziba sisho ukuthi i-organization ayingakheki, then it becomes a problem.
No, I think ngiyakuzwa ngiyakulandela Mr.
So wena
kodwa into ephazamisayo Hleko i-situation yokuthi i-situation yokuthi angakakhethi ubuholi kuze kube imanje. Ngizokutshela ukuthi why I'm raising that point. Ukuthi mhlawumbe bese kuthiwa niyabukhetha ubuholi or kuba ne-elective conference. Lezi zinto ziyazilandeleke ngendlela uthola ukuthi kunoma-disciplinary what yonke leyo nto yonke into mhlawumbe engicabanga ukuthi isuke ihlukumeza abantu ile bombshell eshayekayo nge-what you call bathi this thing letterhead ukubona nge-letterhead ithi bam. Ezinye zezinto ezenzakalayo uzothola former spokesperson akhulume in the presence of the president of the party, mhlambe in the presence of the national chair. We decree that press conference declare null and void according indlela spokesperson. Sengisho izinto ezinjalo Mr. Hleko, it looks like the creator ungabazane because akuwona ama-members kuphela enidila nayo, nidila nabantu futhi abayimisele ngokuyijoin i-MK.
Hayi no ngiyakuzwa kodwa ke akusho ukuthi ucorrect kulonto necessarily. Nguzwe impela kodwa iqiniso nje lilodwa elokuthi firstly khona izinto ezi-situational. Okay, ongeke udile nazo noma yikuphi. Right? Njengale example oyenza nje uchair wayekhona kwi-press conference the president kodwa cha kulungile, that's a situational circumstance, right? Uma ufuna ukudilana lezo zinto ufuna kuye kwenye level udile nazo, right? So uzohamba ke ngoba uyakhula uzohamba uyibone lento ukuthi organizational processes and mechanisms izinto ezisebenza kanjani out here. Okay, so ngiya-responda nje kulokho ngoba phela much as you were not so direct but you made an example ngalokho. Okay, now le system esisebenzisa ayi-correct kakhulu. Le system jethi.
You think so?
Ayi-correct kakhulu. Ngiyakutshela mina i-correct. You know, ngeke niyazi lento ngoba mhlawumbe nanisebancane.
I-image yephathi itentangana.
Before ufike kwi-image yephathi nginikeza example nje.
Yeah.
Uyabona lento your elective conferences. Into eqale manje kuma-90s le minyaka enzalwe ngayo le, right? Now ngiyakutshela, look, for 31 years i-ANC as a liberation movement did not have elective conferences.
kuhlangana eMorogoro kuneMorogoro
Oh,
conference.
yeah,
It wasn't an elective conference.
no, ngiyakutshela, just vele ngoba we were operating in the conditions of illegality at the time, right? But many activists, the ANC, if we were to sit down and frankly reflect how tight the ANC was in the 31 years when it had no elective conferences and so on.
In the OR.
Yebo. Uzobona ukuthi tight, and yet it was also severely infiltrated, but it mitigated against infiltration. Ngokungabi nazo lezi zinto zakho zama elective conferences. Elective conferences came with e-competition. My interests. So I'm a businessman, so I must buy the ANC so that it begins to speak and talk like me. Right?
Yeah.
So that's why system is 7 high. It's perfect. Correct. Sengathi at any given point, sit decide as example. Sit decide ukuthi oh sesiyakwazi ukuzi-insulate kulento. Yabantu abakwazi ukuzothengisa i-interest yabo in the organization, so that the organization begins to behave in a particular way, in a particular manner, furthering the interests of a particular private group. Mhlambe ke mase sikwazi ukuzi-insulate kulokho, I don't know at what point. Mhlambe ngaconsider ke lezi zinto so elective conferences. But we've seen a lot. We've seen a lot in terms of, what type of leadership gets produced in a situation where there is money that can buy conferences.
Okay. I think it's personal, Mr. Nhleko.
Yeah.
Uke waphatha isikhathi eside lapha emaphoyiseni.
Oh.
Kwaba
Cabanga kanjani?
No, ngangibona.
Okay.
Ngangibona. Mhlambe enye iphathi. Kwabe sekuba ne-conference ye-ANC. Sadly so, elective conference. I know ukuthi oversensitive when it comes to elective conference.
Okay.
Kwabe sengizwile. Phathi ngifuna ubuza umbuzo wokuqala ukuthi uzobuyela kwe-ANC, i-ANC ngasekhethe ubuholi or mhlawumbe did you resign kwe-ANC because ngibuka ukuthi kuyabe kuzoba ne-conference. I-concern yakhe enkulu kwawukwehla kwebha ngokwakho ukuthi insizwe SG awuboni ukuthi umuntu ngempela okumele abe unobhala we-organization. So sengisholo ukuthi ama-elections
2027 you have an answer to this question.
2027 kuzaba elections okukhetha ubuholi obusha.
Look,
so uzokwenza njani? Firstly, did you resign?
I resigned kwe-ANC. And I stated my reasons why.
One of them ngibala.
Hey, I don't want to waste myself. Look, it's a one of the things the worst thing that you can ever do to yourself is to talk about the current leadership of the ANC. It's a waste of human effort, really, to reflect on them. The little brains that you have got, save them. The less said about them, all the better, insofar as I'm concerned. Yeah, but it's an unfortunate situation, really. I mean, I saw something this morning which proves the point that I made some time ago, before I left. In the history of ANC, there has never been such So there's a clip that is taking rounds. I saw it.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
one. I mean, exactly. There's never been such. Never. Okay. So that's why ngithi hayi ungangibuzi mina into owaziyo nawe uthi nempendulo yayo ngoba nawe uyayibonela angithi yabona bona ukuthi nje uthanda ukudlala ngami kodwa it's all right. But now uyayibonela nje uthi hayi lenti nje
No, I'm bored with a
usho nje
Yeah, just following.
yeah, even a child can clearly see this thing. Now, but the point really is that you see, we grew up in the ANC. Many of us. We grew up in the ANC. So as Fiji, Zolo, we grew up in this thing. So when we reflect on revolutionary morality, we know what we're talking about. Because we were there, we saw these things. But also, if the ANC is veered off from that objective locus circumstance you deal in the socio-economic circumstance we should be able to see it. Yeah, but we hate nobody. It's not about we don't like this one or don't like that and so no. But
but omunye uzothi azikho yini ama-channels bayasebenzisa now futhi we're part of that ukuthi kuyaye kulandelwe imigudu efanele to address such matters.
Phela lento engishoyo is not in the absence yalonto isho ukuthi when we were doing it, we were not shouting out there on the streets in public. I've taken this matter up to Bani and so on. We're there, more structures, but sit dealing at this thing. Now, let me give you just one small thing which was very unfortunate to develop within the ANC. When we were taught, Tina, way back when we were student activists and youth activists, that for an organization to grow, even in corporate sort of management experience and so on, this thing is it's a fundamental principle. For an organization to grow and sustain itself, it does so on the basis of being critical and self-critical. So we grew up as with conduct a constructive criticism, for an example, because that builds us as an organization and as a people. But it got to a point where you say, hey, but this thing is not right. We shouldn't do things this way. People turn around, but what?
Oh, okay.
Now that's a dead end because that's at the height of subjectivity. You shall not be able to deal with the issues at hand because if you are raising a specific issue, it's because when you attack a organization. What kind of thinking is that? Right? So
things like you are defining yourself.
Yeah. So now this, as a result thereof of that kind of approach, the statistics are there to show what the organizational essence of what used to be a liberation movement has gone all the way down and continues in that kind of trajectory. Trajectory. So it's a very unfortunate circumstance, really. But some of us as social activists, the only thing that you're left with is to be with your people where they are. The consciousness, Yabantu versus South Africa, right now, is that they're yearning for freedom.
Through liberation.
Exactly, they're yearning for freedom. You like it or not, this thing. And in fact, interestingly, this issue is not even party political. It's right across the board. You'll find a granny who happens to be a member of AFP shares the same sentiment. kanti sikhululeka nini kuleli lizwe lethu,
Mm.
right? Similarly, any other person who belongs to the education sector and so forth asks a similar question and is not a member of AMK.
Yeah.
So it's a broad range to a point where I really do believe that the circumstances we have, it is quite a spiritual circumstance. Even the development AMK itself is quite spiritual, because it's people yearning for this freedom, fundamental freedom. It's people fighting against dispossession. It's people also yearning for this positive development, right? So it's a reaction in that kind of sense, right? Now, so the question is this: if you fought for freedom, when the time came like it now came, what would you do? What would you do? Uzochoose ukuthi wena ungayiboni lento yabantu bakithi abaphila kule circumstance enje, ngoba usevisa interest of a political party narrowly, or are you going to choose to be with them? So I chose to be with them.
Yeah. Yazi ngifuna ukuchecka la Mr. Nhleko. By the way, sikhuluma no Mr. Nhleko, uNkosinathi Nhleko, oyi-National Chairperson ye-MKP.
Liyakhokhela lelo gama leNkosinathi.
Oh. Sengitshela
It's all
sengimqeda.
Yeah, it's okay.
Udathi. That's it.
Ngiyakwazi nje, don't worry.
Yazi ngifuna ukuchecka la Mr. Nhleko. Kunalento yokuthi la ngifuna ukuchecka first, i-center is holding kwi-MK, because of late sibona nama-clips adonsa abhekisele.
What crips?
Ngibona ukuqala uzongitshela nje i-position yenu la kulento ama-illegal immigrants.
Oh.
Because bowubheka khona i-statement esisanda shawa nje u-national spokesperson omusha. Abanithi abantu ababonakala begqoka ikipa ze-MK lapha, lento le kumamashi lawo e-March and March, into abazenzela bona ngamakhanda abo, understand? Buye kube nema-members-ke ayijoyina ayilandelayo. I don't know whether ama-members or ama-sympathizers, because asuke emaningi egqoke ama-t-shirt. Ngifuna ukucheck
uyangimangalisa udidwa into elula kangaka.
Ilokhuzana ithini i-position?
Udidwa into elula kangaka. Yakubakalisa.
Ithini i-position?
Lalela, members of EMK are ordinary members of the citizenry. They are ordinary members of this community, LA South Africa. So, so correctly so. Bazozithola futhi beparticipate kwamanye ama-programs, social programs. Njengawo nje la okhuluma ngawo. Not because basanctionwe yi-MK or whatever, right? But because they are the affected members of this community of ours. All right? So, manje sukudida wona lento, didwa into yabona lwatha wento yabona ncane kabi lento dida. Now, because also our members are not robots. Yabona, they're not robots. It happens to remember MK. I hereby instruct you to behave this way or do this. Yabona. No, it can't be. Particularly, ilula. Yeah. Anti sikhuluma ngento yama illegal immigrants. Yeah. That which is outside the law, we're against it. Phela angithi manje kufanele umuntu maye khona la izweni sazi ukuthi ubani lo. Yeah. And there is law that stipulates that. So we're for that. Now, interestingly, I think, if I'm not mistaken, maybe we were last week. Sabonana nobuholi be March and March. Yeah. because we felt ukuthi kufanele siphefumulelane eduze nabo. Yabo singababukeli kude. Noma sigcine sesibajikijela ngamatshe. Ufuna si-understand ukuthi yini le abakuyo. Bese sibuka thina ukuthi
bentitele telula kangaka. Ukuthi ba-understand nje ukuthi
usiyakwazi manje. Usiyakwazi manje ngiyakubona ukuthi ubuyisela kimi lo mkhonto uthi baba. Kulungile. No. So bese sibuka i-question yokuthi ourselves as an organization, what role can we play in dealing with these issues?
Yeah.
Right? Sisazobuye sibonane ngoba we need to start by some sort of research work nabo. Ekubukeni ama-gaps akhona ey'ntweni ze-immigration ne-enforcement in this country. Now, khumbula ukuthi umehluko phakathi kwethu ne-March and March ukuthi abekho eParliament esikhona thina. Sikhona
and abasiyi-political party.
Abasiyi-political party and benza kahle futhi bangabi yi-political party. Ngixoxela ngelinye ilanga why.
Bazama bani bepolitiki omkhe ukungena but ngiyayithanda iposition ukuthi bona bangayihlanganisi nepolitiki.
Bangayenzi lento. There is value in civic organization. There's value in doing that. So manje uzoyinyova lento ngoba yazi political partyism by its very nature is narrow. Inama sets of interests efuna iwa accomplish ubuka lonto yabo. So but i-platform civic is broad. Yabo. Kodwa so besixoxe ngelilanga kulezo zinto. So bengisathini kuwe? Bengisachazela ukuthi hayi sobehlangane nabo ngoba ufuna sibuke the whole instruments that govern the question of immigration. What are the failures? Where are the gaps? Ngoba it's useless to shout there on mountain tops. I understand. We can possibly now being such a good umehluko phakathi kwethu nabo ukuthi thina sikhona eKZN legislature, sikhona national parliament, sikhona eMpumalanga legislature, sikhona Northwest, sikhona eGauteng. Eastern Cape is got a vote. Those legislatures. Now, the question is, singakwazi kanjani ukusebenzisa that platform that we occupy in advancing a question of dealing with these issues, the illegal immigration, for an example, within the context of the law. So we have a role to play there, just making that as an example. So ifuna uku-understandwa kahle lento, ibanjwe futhi kahle lento ngoba lento illegal immigration is also about competition for resources. It's also about issues of underdevelopment in the Southern African region, right? So ifuna lento sigcine sikwazi ukuba quite holistic about it and so on. I mean, unlike at some point ngake ngezwa what's his name, Phakelo Mthakathi. Ngamuze articulate her from a very progressive angle. Yabona ethi into ofuneka ingenzeki ukuthi siqhathwe thina sisodwa nabafowethu laba abasuka emazweni angaphandle. What no, asingayivumeli lonto. Yabona. And when I listened to that, I felt good how that's progressive thinking.
Ungamthembi.
Hayi akona ungamthembi. Ngisho ukuthi kodwa
wathi ukuthuka.
Hayi akuthukanga ngizothuswa yini. Ngangizwa nje into progressive ukuthi that's a progressive articulation. So there's no way umuntu angezoyi-acknowledge lo. Yeah. Because also that is about leadership.
Yazi besisakhuluma ngaleyo question ngicela ungicacisele la Mr Nhleko because abanye abantu bayayibuza mina ngibuzela abantu.
Okay.
Khona this thing yokuthi i-MK ibonakala ngathi close to iMorocco lento international whatever politics i-close kwi-Morocco than i-Western Sahara kanti abanye abantu bebezothi because i-Western Sahara icindezelwa ama-Moroccans then why i-MK ngoba ithathwa njenge-progressive movement ibe close to.
Look, for starters, two things I'm gonna say. One is that I think that's a complex question. Leyo, Morocco, Western Sahara, and so on. And also, in it is also taking into account the attitude of the world bodies around that question. Okay. But angifuni ukudila nayo ngoba angiyena umuntu ozokwazi kangcono ngalolu daba.
Okay.
Yeah, kuphela mina engakusho ukuthi ngingakuhlanganisa nomuntu ozofuna ukuhlale naye specifically ukuzama uku-understand that this situation yethu Morocco, Western Sahara, and the attitude of the world bodies in relation to that. And at some point we clarified. That question was clarified in a particular statement. But mina njengomuntu ongazilutho kakhulu ngezinto zo-international relations, hayi ngeke uphendule kule nto.
Yazi ngifuna 2-3 mhlampe ngizothula bengibuza lama questions ngabuzaphawula kakhulu. Abantu abaningi bakhala kakhulu ngokuthi MK ayithu ngiyazi kubuyisela emuva. I-MKP ngokungatholakali ukuze ilawule isifundazwe knowing ukuthi MKP ayiyenzanga u-50+1 kwase kuphoqelela ukuthi mhlampe ikhulumisane namanye amaqembu kodwa ubaba wayengatholakala. Bengifuna ukuchecka futhi eyesibili i-question ehambisana neMadlanga Commission. Abantu abangazi uMr Nhleko uke waphatha amaphoyisa ngathi kunebugebengu obuningi esithukayo yabona noma mhlambe lobo bugebengu babungekho ngesikhathi Mr Nhleko but benolwazi ngalento singathanda ukuthi uyishare nathi ukuthi yini le yagcina isivimba uMr Nhleko ukuthi because ngathi allergic ku corruption.
Usho nje?
So so why Mr iziphi nyathelo ezathathwa uMr Nhleko in charge of amaphoyisa so wazele sesiyivala nje ngefire pool ngoba ukuthi kwakuyikhathi zakho futhi mhlawumbe sivale lapho ngiyabonga kakhulu.
No, those three areas uzobungikhumbuza zona. Awubacele bathula umsindo abantu bayahluka. Those three areas ngizoyithinta kodwa uzobungikhumbuza ngazo.
Yeah.
Uzobungikhumbuza ngazo. Uthe yiphi leyo yokuqala?
Angithi le yokuqala esikhuluma ngayo indaba uyiqala ekugcineni fire pool.
Oh, zaqala ngayo.
Sakhuluma ngeMadlanga.
Yeah.
Indaba yaMadlanga nelokhuzana. Nawe ezihidi amaphoyisa kungathi manje kunobugebengu obuningi emaphoyiseni nganoma nge-10 yakho yavele bathi ukuma or you knew about these things long time ago kwawukuthi mhlawumbe angaba nepower or something okwenza something ngakho. Khona lesithathu. Yeah, okay, sikhulume ngamandaba yama-elections bekuphuma ama-results aphuma ethi MK.
Oh, should I KZN? Yes.
Especially KZN.
Okay.
Idlula abantu kahle abantu babelindele ukuthi MK
kube yona
ezolida ugovernment.
No, babeqinisile abantu bakithi. Ngoba i-majority yabantu bakulesi sifundazwe bakhetha i-MK 45%. Right. That's quite a
high 50+1.
Yeah, no, 45%. That was quite a number. Kodwa ngenxa yenzondo nobumencemence bokushunana nabelungu eyenzikele sishunene nabelungu manje abelungu took a posture a decision, a very decided position yokuthi ngeke basebenze le-MK.
Yeah.
Yeah, sasingafuneke vele ukusebenza nabo vele abelungu, sinendaba nabo. Kodwa we had thought, and sayisho lento emhlanganweni wethu ne-ANC siqala ukuhlangana after elections ukuthi kithi ukusebenza ne-ANC kanye namanye amaqembu abantu abamnyama alwela inkululeko, it's a natural thing. Yabona, it's a natural thing. But ngeke sikwazi ukusebenza nabo besebenza nabelungu.
Oh, okay.
Because those are two conflicting interests, right? So we had a lengthy kind of engagement on this question, but kwashukuthi they were firmly decided ukuthi bona bosebenza ne-DA, right? There's always a hanging question that uzofuna ukusebenza nabelungu kanti yini le ekuhlupheka ngayo ungafuna ukusebenza nabantu bakini. Yabona, so it's a hanging question. So buye sithole ngelinye ilanga ukuthi kwakuyini yona lento eyenza ukuthi wena udecide ungwakithi wazi kahle ukuthi kodwa abantu bakithi baphila kule circumstances abaphila kuyo, ufuna wena ukusebenza nabantu abanti, abantu abamnyama abangabi lutho abahlale benje.
Yeah.
Yini leyo nto le?
Kodwa ngithi national bengifuna ukuthi
Hayi, sila
province.
Iyefana, it's the same thing.
Because man, I think in a knowing ukuthi ngithathe 45% akubanga u50 plus.
Yebo.
Waze kufanele nina right after ama-elections niphakamisa isandla niyobafuna laba enibazi ba pro black ukuthi sifuna ukusebenza nani siphathe lo silesi sifundazwe sase KZN.
Hayi kwenzeka konke lokho. Hayi kwenzeka konke.
And I'm glad because ngikhuluma nawe wawuhlala kule ngxoxo.
Hayi kwenzeka kodwa in fact I was leading those delegations. So so kuyenzeka yonke lonto but ke kwenzeka lokho kwenzeka. So ngingakho ngithi for me there's an outstanding question ukuthi yini ledala ukuthi laba abantu bakithi babona ukuthi fanele bancetheze ngale ndlela abancetheza ngayo nabelungu.
But naxoxisana nalawa amnyama.
Awusaxoxisana. So but ke the long and short of it ukuthi khona izinto njengamanje engakwazi ukungena kuzo ezi-affecta i-province. Because we owe it kubantu bakithi ukuthi lilungise leli phutha. So lilungise leli phutha.
Vote of no confidence.
Yeke ukuthi ngani? So lilungise leli.
Those containers ama-citizens.
Yeka, nobona sekwenzeka.
No, kodwa vote of no confidence nikwenze phambi kwethu niba-challenge.
Sikwenze phambi kwethu.
Nahluleke. Yini manje nizosicashisela?
Hayi asicashiseli lutho. Kodwa nje ngishilo ukuthi yona hayi iphutha elifanele ukulungiswa leli. Futhi mase silungisa so sho ukuthi sesalungisa ke leli phutha.
Kodwa bani wathi let it be done before dawn.
Yeah.
Bayo
Sazi hayi kwange Shakespeare.
I think akubona Shakespeare. But uthi let it be done before dawn.
Lesikhathi phela kwakufanele uBrutus abulale agwaze uLokhuzana. Untasika yisho. Yena uShakespeare. Sengikhohliwe nje.
Into ezakudala. Yeah, but
kodwa ke kanjalo now that's the one part. The second part about iMadlanga Commission.
Mhlawumbe unga-add ukuthi wawu-minister wamaphoyisa.
Anti usushile.
Nokenzela lo ngena manje.
Sushile. Ngaku-minister wamaphoyisa.
Yeah.
You know, I've always taken a posture, 18, and in fact, it's also a management principle. Ukuthi laba amaphoyisa are professionals. Bayeke ke benze umsebenzi wabo as professionals.
Oh, okay.
And account accordingly. Yabona. So uma minister umsebenzi wakho is largely an oversight mechanism and an angle into in relation to ukusebenza kwamaphoyisa.
Yeah.
Because umsebenzi wamaphoyisa is governed by the constitution. Ukuthi, for instance, amaphoyisa, I think is it 206 or section 206 or something, I can't remember. Angisayikhumbuli lezi zinto. Section 206 says that amaphoyisa are managed under the direction of a national commission. Bese kuthi 207 uzothi i-portfolio yamaphoyisa shall be in the hands of a civilian ministry who serves in cabinet. Something to that effect. Of course, this is not verbatim letting issue, but something to that effect. This.
Yeah.
Now, the civilian emphasis yokuphatha amaphoyisa is because of our experience. During the days of apartheid, in fact, we had a police state. Amaphoyisa were absolute, but they had absolute power. To a point ukuthi amaphoyisa ngalezo khathi I decided ukuthi mayifuna ukubulala azokubulala.
Drama SP.
Uyabona, azokubulala wena, it's fine. It's all right. So, and therefore this oversight and civilian sort of oversight over the police was absent. Yeah. Uyabona. So, so when we wrote the Constitution, it was on the basis of that experience and understanding ukuthi sifuna i-outlook ne-orientation enjani yesiphoyisa. Yeah. And there were very interesting submissions that we made as the ANC back then on the 15th of June 1995. A perspective of what policing as a sector should be. Very interesting. In fact, if you could find Lauma submissions that we made to, we're saying, a constituent assembly during the days when we were writing a constitution. Very interesting. In fact, very progressive, I think.
Was the constitution ehlanganisa uCyril Ramaphosa noRuth Maye?
Yeah. So I'm just saying, you know, that's what we're involved in at the time, and that was the outlook. Yeah, this thing. So, I don't know, manje ufuna wena ngemadlanga commission.
No, mina nge-period yakho wena wawungasaboni lutho nje ukuthi kunobugebengu obenzakala.
No. Zikhona ezinye izinto where we made intervention.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, zikhona ezinye izinto where we made intervention, and of course, you know, we made no noise about some of those things, right? But let me give you.
Why we political appointee? Boy, political appointee, you should make noise.
No.
So
it depends. It depends what is I mean, my issues that you need to process, you just need to process them. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, but, you know, for instance, on one particular matter, I remember saying to the deputy president, who's head of state now, I was saying to him, if we don't nip it in the bud, so vuka one day, sithole ukuthi amaphoyisa ahambe awethu amaphoyisa ahambe ayothopilisha government eBotswana in our name. Ever. So he pretended to understand that point. Because I was trying to say to him, there's no way that kuzoba khona abantu abenza izinto wrong in our name as government and as the citizenry of South Africa. Bese sitting over, they happen to be comrades. Funeka sibashilde labo bantu. In fact, I expect quite a lot from a comrade. I expect ukuthi umuntu oyi-comrade angeke compromise the national interest and security interest of the country. Right? Comrade together, right? So I was dealing with some of these things because, unbeknown to many people, policing is the only organ that is constitutionally empowered to take a life on behalf of its citizens. Mhlawumbe niboni lethu. Amaphoyisa anelungelo lokuthatha impilo yomuntu by law. In this instance, the South African Police Service Act and so on. So, ngazama ngakuzama ngesikhathi ngakuzama ngaso ma wena issue yakho ukuthi angibizwanga ngani uMadlanga commission ayisungayibuza commission that question. Ukuthi akabizwe ngani?
No, abakaqedi.
Oh yeah.
Anything is possible.
Basazongibiza.
Basazo mhlawumbe ushaye wena ukuthi
in fact, I'll also welcome that. It's all right because I'm aware ukuthi some other fellows they went there.
balithinta igama labo.
Yeah, balithinta igama lami kwezinye izinto so lama complaints wabo as usual.
But ake sithinte le fire pool because yasusa umsindo sasiqala ngawo ukuze leyo themba.
Kuthiwa i-fire pool.
Yeah, and abantu bababaza phela bababaza ngokuchule.
No, akubona ukukhulu.
Nangendlela ocabanga ngayo yabo.
Akubona ukukhulu.
Wavela dida ama South Africans wathi kune fire pool.
No. Nihlupha lapho kunabantu bendaba. Nihlupha ngempela Jehova Sebaot. Lalela.
Yeah.
Uyabona le fire pool.
Yeah.
It's not even a term that came from me. The concept of a fire pool. Iphuma kuma drawings of engineers involved with that project. Diagram. Yeah, diagram F. Kuma documents as a public works. Right? But before the pool is constructed, there is an interesting discussion. In the now, there's an interesting discussion that took place. There were various project teams, by the way, so police were also involved from a security aspect, right? As part of that broader project team. You also had engineers, you had the whatever, construction companies and so on. Now, the discussion is about one question. What would happen if there's an emergency in this homestead? How would we deal with it? Right? So there's then an evaluation that is conducted. I think there was an engineer called Obehoza involved with that project as well. So Obehoza comes with a report that says, look, we have a reservoir and this X capacity of kiloliters. But also the second thing with this reservoir, in a defectivity, I pressure in the amounts. Amanzi akhona mayiphuma uyabona ebese kuqhamuka a suggestion ethi no akwakhiwe a fire pool uyezwa ke manje angekho inhleko lapha akwakhiwe a fire pool with 210 kiloliters of capacity, water capacity to deal nale circumstance ukuthi mangaba nomlilo la ngoba izindlutshana lezi kanti vele futhi kule ndawo yesengandla liyaduma kakhulu maliduma izulu, thunderstorms and whatever. Angithi kubukwa ke manje ukuthi how the place your head of state have got to be secured. Angithezwa ke sekungena in security question manje on this thing. So when I am commissioned by Parliament to look into this thing arising out of the Madonsela report, ukuthi yini lento yayibizwa ukuthiwa i-security measure, lento ye-fire pool. Yini le, yabona. It then forced me ukuthi ngiconducted this research engiyikhuluma kuwe manje. Ukuthi ake sizwe ukuthi njengami nje phela mina mangabona idamu lamanzi ngazi ukuthi indawo yobhukuda. Yabona. In fact, even today indawo nebengihamba kuzo ngibona umfula ngithi hey vele ngihambe ngiyoyiphosa lapha. That's all that I think of. Okay. Now, so in the interactor with fire experts,
Yeah.
sengifuna mangichazele kahle lento. The fire experts produce a report, a very interesting report. They then say, look, in fact, they demonstrated that thing. They say, at college, maybe train wabona. Bayatshelwa ukuthi an open water source is the most reliable source of water in firefighting. Ngithi ke mina awuyisimplify lento isho ukuthini.
Yeah.
Athatha ipipe aliphonse kwilokhuza kule pool. Adumise igenerator immediately aphuma amanzi ngendlela ebonakalayo ukuthi makunomlilo la uyacisha. Uyabona? Athi ke here's the thing. Kanti mawuzoya kwi-reservoir kusafuna ukwenza ama-couplings, ufake i-coupling, ufuna ukudile nale pressure le okuthiwa is low pressure lapha kwi-water reservoir. Ayisakwazi producer amanzi ngendlela kufuneka abe nepower ngayo ukuze alukhuze umlilo. So abantu bepolitiki ke ngoba abantu bepolitiki la ngena khona ke ni babambelela kule nto fire police ukuthi mina phela ngasuka nje ngakhomba i-swimming pool ngathi fire pool. Uyabona?
So wena wayichaza kahle ngoba
So ngayichaza kahle ngase ngaze
awuboni ukuthi wena wasenjesa ngayibona kahle
zazinifithizela nje izinto zenifithizela. Uyabona ngize ngenze example ukuthi eQunu the same arrangement is there. Mandela, same arrangement. Same arrangement, right? And lento I supplied all documents. Ingakho ngathi ungasho two things. I-DA ya react athi hayi bazahamba enkantolo ngathi awuyeye kusasa vukani niye khona vukani phela. Ngajabula kabi niye enkantolo. They never went to court to challenge the findings of my report. They knew. Bahlakaniphile phela belungu bayibona izikalo dawu ulo muntu uhamba wayi-researcha yonke lento and is backed up by necessary documentation.
And yakusupport ad hoc.
No bangisupporta la.
Umama lokugubhayo.
Hawu bathi ayi-right vele yayi-right yabo.
Ngoba thina nisuke eqenjini la.
Not suke eqenjini lodwa. Mina the interesting thing by the way and ngangixoxela nje president lento after the presentation of that report ngithi ngaya kulento nginayo imibuzo mina.
Ngoba la uyibona ngeke understand lento.
Angithi uma uyithatha into with an ordinary eye.
Yeah.
Zokuhlupha lento. Uyabona angithi ake ngenze example. One of the issues that were listed was isibaya. Kuthiwa is a security measure kwasho ukuthi hayi ngoba sikhona nje isibaya kithi.
Yeah.
So how does it become a security measure? Part of the security measures. And so it's only when you get into the report of security experts why this thing has got to be deemed as part of the security measures. So if we start from an ordinary perspective, face value, yeah, but so that's how that thing I understood it, and I stand by it, and I will always stand by it until such time somebody emerges Amela Pamwam and disprove the research work that I did.
Hayi Mr. Hlelo ngicabanga ukuthi kuningi safisa ukukhuluma nawe into esesizoyenza nje ukuthi sinike isikhathi sibe sesiyalokhuza sibe sesenza futhi okunye ukuthi sixoxe futhi sesigcina kakhulu kwi-MK manje ukuthi manje nezinto
ngiyanibona nifuna ukuyijoin i-MK ku-right lo joinini bese nayivotela futhi ngoba you know we only have, this is the only thing that exists, by the way. To deal
campaign, I think.
No, campaign. But this is the only thing. This is the only thing that exists. I mean, like, which other political party talks about freedom and talks the language of freedom and the question of repossessing our land? Who talks that?
Who is
Except
next
MK.
on the firing line?
Hmm?
Who's next on the firing line?
Uyangisukela yazi. Ngikhuluma ngenye into wena uyangisukela. Ungitshela indaba zama-firing line. Ngcono sihambe-ke manje.
I think we are done.
Ngcono sihambe.
Usingakhohlwa usilandele ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana. News Avenue, ucheck-e ko-TikTok, ucheck-e ko-Facebook, ucheck-e ko-Twitter, as well as Instagram. Ubusulandela ipage lethu kwi-YouTube. Sesikhulume nabantu abaningi, by the way, Mr. Nhleko. Asiqala ukufika la ekhaya sike sakhuluma noMacingwane.
Okay.
Uhlala ucishe wasakazeka phansi.
Hayi bo.
Ngazi wasinda kanjani, but usesekhona as uchair. Uyaqhubeka sengisho ngento engayibona emaphepheni.
Oh, okay.
Ngathi abuye alungiswayo. Sike sakhuluma noMike Babuya kakhulu, sakhuluma noMkhuleko Hlengwa. In fact,
wena ucabanga ukuthi
ngathi sihambela wonke ama-political organization.
Umsebenzi wenu phela lo.
Of i-political affiliation.
Sungaze uyincombe ngomsebenzi wenu. Umsebenzi wenu lo wenza lo. Zobe nenzele.
Abanye abasakwenzi. Abanye abasakwenzi. Thina siyakwazi ukunika opportunity MK ihlale nayo phansi sikhulume naye. Kanjalo sesifuna mayibuye. I think nginovusikhozo lapho. Naye futhi somthola sikhulume naye before ama-elections. Don't you dare do around. If you do it, please take pictures.
Okay.